In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the process of working with weight products on the mobile device. For instance, we've placed an order for 75 kilograms of grain from a supplier. We can verify the actual goods received by using a mobile device. Open the associated document on your mobile device. You'll see the product name and the ordered weight displayed on your screen. The shipment we received consists of 3 bags of grain. If these bags are barcoded, we can scan them for easy identification. You are then able to specify the weight of the products received. Each bag is weighed individually, and the weights are inputted into the system. Keep in mind that the weight can be fractional as needed. All entered weights will then be automatically summed up. If there are no barcodes, simply select the product from the list on your screen. Once all bags have been weighed, finalize the document. Upon completion of this process, QuickBooks will reflect actual received weight in purchase order and generate a bill reflecting the actual kilograms received. Thank you and goodbye.